Reolink Argus 2 Outdoor Wireless Home Security Cameras Solar Powered Review 2019. Wireless installation. The Argus 2 can be easily mounted and installed both indoors and outdoors, eliminating the need for professional help. Can work with Google Assistant. Rechargeable battery. Solar powered. Users save tremendously on battery replacements thanks to a built-in micro USB port. This allows the Argus 2 to be charged by a universal 5V2A power adapter or by the Reolink Solar Panel. Power adapters and Reolink Solar Panels are sold separately. 1080p Full HD video display and improved night vision. Equipped with 1920x1080 resolution, the Argus 2 captures smooth, crystal clear videos. Starlight image sensors installed in this outdoor security camera provides you with clearer night vision footage for up to 33 feet. Instant playback. The Argus 2 supports the use of micro South Dakota cards, allowing users to store files locally and at up to 64 GB of space to their wireless security camera. Recorded videos can be replayed via the Reolink app without any additional subscription fees. Standalone setup and operation. Users can install and operate the Argus 2 by directly connecting to a 2.4G wireless router. This eliminates the need for a security base station. Comprehensive voice instructions for setting up your Argus 2 are available on the Reolink app. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.